The latest update to Stable Diffusion 2.1 is out right now, and it is causing a big catastrophe in the AI community. Like many, you are also wondering that how can I use Stable Diffusion 2.1 in my computer like a demo. So in my other channel, I showed you how you can use Stable Diffusion 1.5 to generate Earths. Check the video out, and in this video, I will show you how you can use 2.1 to generate beautiful Earths. Where you can actually use the Stable Diffusion 2.1 demo to create beautiful Earths with your prompts, and it's very helpful. And I gotta say that this is a very tricky one because sometimes it gives you sort of a messed up earth, like messed up fingers, messed up stuff like that, but most of the time it works, and it works pretty well. And also be careful about the scale. They added an option to now adjust the scales in advanced option, which is not much, but still you can create beautiful earths with that. But if I were to suggest, I would say keep it somewhere around 7.5 or something like 10. That would be great, because if you increase the scale much, it just overdoes the earth. And also sometimes the server is very busy, so multiple times it will show that the server is busy, so you gotta just press retry or reload the website. So that can be a pain in the ass, but other than that, Stable Diffusion 2.1 is fire. It creates beautiful earths and much more detailed than 2.1. So also about famous various artists, it also gives beautiful results, and the most important part, it also comes with a negative prompt. So in the 1.5 there was no negative prompt, so you couldn't give instruction to the AI to leave out these parts or that parts, but now you can actually put words in negative prompts that you don't want to have in your final image output. And in 2.1 you can create different kind of stylized arts like cartoons, portraits. So yeah, have fun guys. It's a really useful one, and I really hope that you create a lot of art with this. So feel free to share if you have any kind of question regarding this. So I hope to see you on to the next one. Have a good day guys.